how to display your gifts inside of a balloon gift box. And if you haven't already, if you can do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe, that way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, you guys, if you are a gift basket maker, even if you're not a gift basket maker, I need you to do me a favor. We are going to pretend to make a regular gift basket using Ferrero chocolates. We're going to rock with some Bath and Body Works from the Bath and Body Works outlet. These were $3 each. Okay, we're going to throw in this little loofah right here. I got it for 80 cents at Rite Aid. It was closing. And pick a bunch of these up. We're going to rock with that. Let me see. We're going to even throw in this little stuffed animal right here that I got it on clearance at Walgreens. I think it was like $2. Okay, now I need you in your head, all the gift basket makers, even if you're not a gift basket maker, create a gift basket. Now, how much would you charge for all of these items inside of it? How much would you charge? Keep it real with me. Let me know in the comments. How much would you charge for your basket? Make your basket in your head. A regular gift basket. Let me know. Let me know in the comments, y'all. Don't be shy. Keep it real with me. How much would you charge for your basket? Okay, now, all those items we're going to stick inside this box. Now, you guys, it's an illusion. Now, we're going to make the basket look full, but not really. We're going to start out with some shred from Dollar Tree. We're just going to do a little sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle a little bit up in there, just like that. Okay, with them same items that y'all made your gift basket with, we're going to rock it in this box, okay? Now, we're going to start with this Ferrero chocolates. This is going to be for the back, and we're simply going to attach it with sticky dots. Now, if you're a gift basket maker, the same way you'll do your basket, your gift basket, is the same way you're going to do this box. Okay? Boom. So, just add your sticky dots on there, on the top. Okay, we're going to put it inside of our box and press it against the box. Like that. Make sure that seam is in the back, because this is our back. Now we're going to turn it around and work on the front, okay? We're going to take the body spray and we're going to attach it with the sticky dots, and I'm just going to stick it to the box. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to kind of slant it down so it'll fit. All right. Now, we're going to put this loofah. I'm not going to secure the loofah. I'm just going to throw it up in there just like that. It'll be all right. And then I'm going to attach the lotion. Now, I should have used some socks, because I just realized that ain't no body wash. But for the video purposes, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to attach it with the sticky dots. Yeah, I should have used a pair of socks. That's all right. Okay, stick that like that. And now for extra security, I am going to use a piece of tape. Boom, just like that. Okay, and that is how you secure all of your items, you guys, all your items inside of your gift box. Okay, so now we are going to add the lid onto there, just like that, and secure it down with tape. All right. And now you can add your stuffed animal to the side of your gift. Please check out my video to see how to do that, how to add your stuffed animal to your gift. And now, how much would you charge? Keep it real with me. Keep it real with me. How much would you charge now? All right, let me help you. We're going to go to Etsy and type in balloon gifts in the search bar. All right, and we are going to check out some of the prices for their gift balloons. Their balloon gifts, should I say. All right, check this one out. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, you guys. Now, I just want you to realize this one does not have no stuffed animal. It does not have no gift box attached to it with items, and they wanted $130, okay? Just for the balloon portion itself, okay? Let's check out some more real quick, just to give you an idea how much these bad boys cost. All right. So again, very pretty, $130. All right. Just for the balloon portion. Let's go ahead and add the lights in the stand. Let's see how much that's gonna be. $160. So it'll look like this. Very, very pretty, you guys. But again, it's for the balloon portion, and it added some lights. $160, you guys. It doesn't have the box, and it doesn't have the stuffed animal. Okay, let's check out. Oh, not that one. Sorry. Let's see. Okay. Let me go back to this one. Let's check this one out. Now, this one just had balloons inside, you guys. Just the balloons and a gift box with some goodies in it. $120. Very cute. They kept it simple at the top, which is still cute. It still look good, you guys. Just some ideas. Let's see. Let's rock with this one. Ooh, this one got Ferreros at the bottom. This got Ferreros, the chocolates. $150, you guys, for the chocolates. Very cute. Very, very cute. So I just wanted to give you some ideas of the prices. Okay. Now, with that being said, you guys, what would you charge? Thank y'all so much for watching. Please check out my other video to see how to attach the stuffed animal. And with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.